Hello, this is Stephanie, and welcome to a video demonstration of how to weave on a cardboard loom. Your kit will contain a cardboard loom, some yarn, and a piece of cardboard for a needle or shuttle. The first step is to warp the loom, and I'm just going to slide the yarn into the first slot and tie a little knot. Now bring the yarn up to the first slot and over to the right. You don't want to wrap the yarn around the whole cardboard. Then bring the yarn back down to the next slot and repeat until you get to the end. When you reach the last slot, don't go all the way up because this will make it easier to remove it from the loom. So just tie a knot. Okay, so now we're ready to weave. You can use a tapestry needle if you have one, or you can use this piece of cardboard as a needle. Just fold the cardboard and staple it together and slide in the yarn. Another option is you can use it as a shuttle. Just cut a little slot on both ends. And then wrap the yarn around in a figure 8 pattern, as you can see I'm doing here. While I'm weaving, I like to place a pencil under all the strings to make it a little bit easier. Usually you want to bring the yarn through the warp, one up and one down, and then do the opposite on the way back. However, in this example, I'm going one under and then two over, and one under and two over, just to kind of play around with different strategies. So feel free to experiment and try different things. When you get to the end, don't pull the yarn too tightly. You don't want it to draw in. And then you can weave the tail back through the warp. So it kind of becomes part of the work. I'm going to cut off my work now, and when I made this, I made the tassels or the little ends a bit too short, and just tie the tassels together using an overhand knot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy making a coaster from a cardboard loom.